All right, one reason roof maintenance is so important is I come up on the roof to install that vent fan and this vent cover, and while I was up here I noticed I had a lot of cracking die core. So let me see, I've touched up all the die core. And then the other thing that I noticed is this vent, the top of it is completely cracked all the way around. Now 2 months ago it had a little hairline crack through the middle of it, and I guess if it's not too washed out you can kind of see the remnants of some tape. I put some Gorilla Tape on there and it's completely gone, and the thing is broken all the way around. It should look like that, and that lid is completely busted. So that's what I'm going to replace. I can only find where you can order the whole thing. I only need the top, so let's see if we can just replace the top. All right, this top should just thread off. Yes, it's turning. It's turning off, and just a threaded hole. You can see a nut sticking up. So off camera here, behind the camera, I got my other lid, and so it should screw on. Yes, it does. Praise the Lord. That's on. So super simple fix. I've got the bottom half should I ever need it again, but that covers on and should be weather tight again. Get over here where I can reach a little better. But if we look at this lid, it's just coming apart, and it's just like brittle as brittle can be. So just how much of that is just breaking off. I mean, it's just turning to dust every time you touch it. I guess it's how it just came apart. Pretty positive I didn't hit anything. If something would have hit the roof, I would have stopped and come take a look. But I guess it's just the wind catching under the lip. This thing's got a lip right here that bevels down, and I guess just the wind catching under that and being so brittle, it just disintegrated right before our eyes here. But it's replaced now. Simple. I'll put a link in the description. Like and subscribe. This video is probably going to be up before my other two vent videos because I got to do some editing on those, and this one will be easy, one shot. So like and subscribe, you'll see some of those.